Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I've got for you how to do easy press on nails. For today's video I'm also doing a collaboration with All Dashing. I just want to put out there that I do not collaborate with brands that I don't like or products that I don't support. Then I don't do collaborations with them, so I just want to put that out there. I do like All Dashing. I've tried them out, they're really good, so I just want to put that out there before we start the video. Now give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So All Dashing is a brand that sells easy press on nails, and I gotta say I've tried them out, and believe me, they are so easy. They're really easy to apply, to remove, and you can also reuse them. Now you don't have to use glue for the nails, which is just amazing because the glue always damages my nails and I hate that, and these you have a different kind of way to stick to your nails and it's not damaging to your nails, and that's also why you can reuse it because you don't use glue, which is also that's really good. All Dashing sells a lot of different shapes, different colors, different patterns. I don't know, you have a lot, and it's all very good, very pretty, and it's also not expensive at all. When I checked it out, I was like, are you kidding me? That's so cheap. For one set of nails you pay around $10, which is just so inexpensive. So definitely not expensive at all. They ship worldwide and you get free shipping when you pay over $25. And if you're not satisfied with the product, you can return them if you want. Now, like I said before, very easy to apply, to remove and reuse, so I am going to show you that right now. Now to start off, I've got three different sets of nails. The first one is, as you can see, pretty simple, cute, pink, and so pretty, so cute. Now I also got a matte one, and I wanted to try that one out because the pattern was really cute, and this is the one I'm gonna be using today. So pretty. I love the color and the florals, and it is just so very cute. Now what's inside of the box is of course a huge set of nails with a lot of different sizes. Then we also have sticky thingies which I am going to talk to you about later, and then we also have these things. Yes, so first I'm going to show you how to prepare your nails. So I'm just going to open this up and I'm going to get the stuff out because we need this now. Well, not everything, but first we need to use the pre-application nail prep pad, and you just want to open this up and there's just this pad inside, and you want to rub this on all of your nails so they're ready for the nails. And now I'm going to open up the nails themselves, of course, and what I'm gonna do is I am gonna try the nails for every one of my nails, and then I pick one out which fits right, and then I just put them in front of me and it's ready to put them on. Now on the side they do say that if you're in between sizes you should go with the smallest one, so I just wanted to tell you that. I don't know if you could like maybe file them on the sides to make them a little bit smaller if you really have to, because I know you can file them and I'm gonna do that later too, but I don't know if that's also a possibility. But yeah, just go with the smaller one, that's the easiest. Now for the ring finger I am gonna go with one of the floral nails because those are so cute and I just had to. Of course it comes with a set. Now how to apply. Now these are the nails that I picked out for my nails, and as you can see there's this plastic underneath, and what you want to do is you're going to take that off of the nail, and it's sticky of course, so watch out for that. And what you want to do is just, well, apply it to your nail. It is very easy. I'm just going to stop the video right here for a second because I did something wrong and I was not aware of that while I was filming this video, so let me just correct myself. Like I said, there's this plastic underneath, and like the thing where you can pull it off, it's on the top in the video which I show you, and then I take it off and I put it on my nail, but I actually put it on backwards. So the part where you can pull the plastic off, that's supposed to be on the top of your nail and not on the tip of your nail. Make sure you do it right because I don't, so don't make the same mistake. What you want to do is align under the cuticle and then just press it down firmly for about 15 seconds or longer, and well, actually that's it. Now you can see me file this one down a little bit because I thought it was a lot square-like and I just like it a little bit more round, so I just filed the edges a little bit so it is a little bit more round shaped. But like, that's it. Like, it's on there and it's just insane how easy this is. Like, I always do my nails at home. I have never I've never been to a nail salon before, but I always do it myself, and usually I just use these tips and nail glue and nail polish. So this, just that compared to this is so easy. Like, it is just insane. You just do this for every nail. You take off the plastic, you put it on your nail, you press it down for about 15 seconds, and it's on there. And if you want, you can file them a little bit, but they're, yeah, well, pretty ready to go actually. And the designs are so cute. They have everything. They have matte, they have like shiny, and they just have everything. And I am just very surprised about this brand and about these nails. They are so cute and so pretty, and they look so good in my opinion. Like, this is it. They're on there. It is so cute, and I love the color. I love the design. It is so pretty. Now I'm gonna show you how to remove and reuse them. Now you want to take this manicure stick that came in the plastic bag, and what you want to do is just kind of go underneath the nail carefully, not just push it too hard. And there is like this sticky thing underneath, so you just want to get that off and just try and get that loose, and at some point it will come off. And yeah, it's very easy, very simple. Now you want to take these, I think they're called adhesive tabs, if I'm right. I'm just gonna call them sticky things because I like that. So you want to take these sticky things, and you just want to see what like fits your nail, of course. And when you find the right size, you just take them off, and then you just simply apply it to your nail. It is, again, very easy. And there's this plastic over it again. So once you press it down firmly, you want to take off that plastic again. Then you just want to apply the nail again to your nail. Yeah, and well, that's it. That's how you reuse them. It is so incredibly simple. If this is your first time doing fake nails and you just wanted to try it out, I definitely recommend you to try all dashing if you just want to try out some fake nails, because these are so easy to use, and you can always go a little bit further, you know, and I don't know, try like acrylics or something. But these are so easy, very easy to use, and you know, they do look very good, and you have short and long, whatever you want. So cute. I love it. So that's how you use the nails. They're so easy. They're so easy. I just keep saying it. I'm sorry if it drives you crazy, but it's just insane, and I'm very surprised. Like I said, if this is your first time using fake nails, I definitely recommend you trying all dashing. It is so easy, it's not damaging, and you can reuse them. I'll put a link of the website in the description box so you can check the site out for yourself, and you can try out some cute nails. If you've ever tried all dashing, or if you want to try it now, let me know, because I'm curious. And what do you think of all dashing? Because I like to know your opinion. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.